One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower, stands as the centerpiece of the rebuilt World Trade Center complex in Lower Manhattan, New York City. Rising to a symbolic height of 1,776 feet, a deliberate reference to the year of American independence, it is the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere and a global symbol of resilience and progress in the aftermath of the September 11, 2001, terrorist attacks. The genesis of One World Trade Center was deeply intertwined with the tragedy that befell the original Twin Towers. Following their destruction, there was a global call to rebuild and create a structure that would not only fill the void in the New York City skyline but also honor the memory of those lost and signify the enduring spirit of the nation. The Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, which owned the original World Trade Center, spearheaded the rebuilding efforts. After an international design competition, the architectural firm of Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, with David Childs as the lead designer, was selected to design the new tower. Their vision was to create a building that was both monumental and modern, a beacon of hope that would learn from the past while looking firmly towards the future. The design of One World Trade Center is characterized by its sleek, crystalline form. It begins with a robust 200-foot by 200-foot square base, the same footprint as the original Twin Towers, symbolically anchoring it to the site's history. As the tower ascends, its edges are chamfered, transforming the square base into an octagon at its midpoint. Continuing its upward trajectory, the building culminates in a smaller, rotated square at the parapet, creating a dynamic interplay of angles and reflecting light in a constantly evolving display. The construction of One World Trade Center was a complex and ambitious undertaking, beginning in April 2006. The project involved innovative engineering techniques and the use of high-strength materials to create a safe and sustainable skyscraper. At the heart of the tower's structural system is a massive, reinforced concrete core, which provides significant rigidity and houses essential services such as elevators and stairwells. This core is surrounded by a ductile steel moment frame, with beams and columns connected through welding and bolting for maximum strength. This hybrid system allows for column-free interior spans, maximizing flexibility for tenants. The concrete used in the lower sections of the shear walls boasted an unprecedented strength of 14,000 pounds per square inch, the highest ever used in a New York City project at the time. This high-strength concrete helped to reduce the thickness of the walls, increasing leasable space while minimizing the building's overall weight. The tower's tapered, aerodynamic form was carefully engineered to reduce its exposure to wind loads, thus minimizing the amount of structural steel required. The construction process utilized two of the largest Manitowoc cranes ever used in New York City to hoist the massive steel components into place. The height of One World Trade Center, 1,776 feet, is deeply symbolic, representing the year the United States Declaration of Independence was signed. This deliberate choice serves as a powerful reminder of the nation's foundational principles and its enduring spirit. From its base to its main roof, the building reaches 1,368 feet, the same height as the original North Tower of the World Trade Center. Above this roofline extends a 408-foot spire, which contributes to the building's iconic overall height. The spire also serves a functional purpose, housing broadcast and communication equipment. One World Trade Center officially opened in November 2014, marking a significant milestone in the rebuilding of the World Trade Center site. It stands not only as the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere but also as a symbol of New York City's and the United States' unwavering resilience in the face of adversity. The tower's design thoughtfully incorporates elements that both commemorate the past and embrace the future. Its sheer height and striking form have redefined the Lower Manhattan skyline, reasserting the area's importance as a global business center. Beyond its architectural and economic significance, One World Trade Center holds deep emotional resonance. It occupies a site of profound historical importance and serves as a constant reminder of the events of 9/11. Its presence signifies the ability to rebuild, to innovate, and to move forward while honoring the memory of those who were lost. One World Trade Center is more than just a skyscraper, it is a testament to human strength, architectural ingenuity, and the enduring spirit of a city and a nation. It stands as a powerful icon of hope, resilience, and the unwavering commitment to progress.